welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how I keep up with my blonde hair and how I keep it to look fresh in between color treatments. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite products that I use to keep my hair looking not brassy and not so brown. Make sure you're subscribed too because I'm uploading every single day to the 21st, which is my birthday. So it's my birthday month and you don't want to miss out. If you want to see how I keep up with my blonde hair, then please just keep on watching. So the first two products I'm showing you are both shampoos, but I don't use this one every day. This is a purple shampoo, which I use maybe once a week when my hair starts to get brassy. I don't really use it like the first 2 weeks after I get my hair done, but I'll use it like once a week after that. And it just makes sure it doesn't turn like orange and like not the color I want. I like it to stay like a white type of blonde, and this really helps to keep it like that. I'll use this Frieda Go Blonder every single time I'm in the shower, which I wash my hair like 2 to 3 times a week, so I'll use this. And when I use the purple shampoo, I'll use this after it just to double shampoo and make sure that the purple is all out of my hair. I used this and the conditioner of this in college, but I only use the shampoo now because I don't really think that the conditioner is necessary because it's mostly my roots that turn brown the quickest, if that makes sense. And as for conditioner, I just kind of use whatever's in my shower. But I typically use the L'Oreal sulfate-free conditioners because that's what my mom buys. But I don't use like one for blonde hair because I don't think it's necessary. When I get out of the shower, the first product that I use, I only use this like maybe once every 2 weeks. I don't really use it that often just because it says you're only supposed to use it no more than 10 times between color treatments. So I just use this whenever I feel like my hair is really brown looking, but it's the Frieda Go Blonder Lightening Spray, and you just spray this on your wet hair after the shower and then brush it out. And the other thing that I use when I get out of the shower is this Moroccan oil. It's for light colored hair and like color treated hair, so I don't know what it does for that. I just know that it works well and it hydrates my hair because your hair can get pretty dry after dyeing it blonde because you are like bleaching it essentially, so you want to make sure that you're keeping it hydrated so that it doesn't get so brittle and like break on the ends easily. I'll typically go like 2 to 3 months, more on like 3-month end between getting my hair dyed. When I get it done, I just get a partial foil and I just get highlights. Obviously I get blonde, and I don't always cut my hair, but I did this time. I got 2 inches off, but my hair grows really fast. That's why it's like hard for me to keep up with my roots because my hair grows out super fast, and obviously my natural hair is darker than the blonde, so that's why I go so often. But if your hair grows slow, you don't have to go every 3 months. Maybe try to go as long as you can just because it is pretty expensive. But yeah, those are all of my products that I use in my hair to keep up with the blonde. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it helps you out if you are a blonde or if you want to go blonde. I hope that this gives you some knowledge on it. Again, I'm uploading every single day of this month till the 21st, so make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss out on any videos. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!